For more than 2 decades, Fortify has helped lead the application security market. Now, OpenText is applying that experience to the next generation of AppSec with Agentic AST, combining proven security expertise with AI-driven analysis built for the enterprise. For this demonstration, let's run FAA against production code from Pack4J version 632. This version contains an authentication bypass caused by a subtle logic error. JSON Web Tokens that are encrypted but not signed can be accepted without proper verification. The vulnerability was identified in March and fixed by adding the appropriate validation checks. Fortify previously performed a SAST scan of this code. It identified several issues, but it did not detect the authentication bypass. This type of business logic vulnerability is often beyond the reach of deterministic SAST analysis. This is an ideal test case for Agentic AST and Fortify Agentic Analyzer. FAA is highly flexible and configurable to satisfy the breadth of enterprise requirements. You can bring your own LLM, whether it's Bedrock, Anthropic, OpenAI, Google, Azure, or a self-hosted model. You can also select a different model and reasoning effort for each stage. A cost ceiling can be set for every scan, which is essential for preventing runaway token spend. The agents are read-only and operate locally. Your code never leaves your environment except when it is sent to the LLM endpoint you select. Now, let's start analyzing. The scan is now starting and will run through 3 phases: planning, analysis, and validation. Each phase is powered by a different Claude model, Haiku, Sonnet, and Opus, running through AWS Bedrock. As the scan progresses, we can see that the vulnerability we were looking for has been identified, the JWT authentication bypass. We can also monitor both current and projected costs throughout the scan. Cost visibility and control are important themes within FAA. Once the analysis is complete, the validation phase reviews the findings. It removes false positives, eliminates duplicates, improves the quality of the results, aligns each finding with the standard Fortify taxonomy, and produces an industry-standard serif output. The scan is nearly complete, and once validation finishes, we can review the results. Let's take a look. The agentic and traditional SAST findings are presented in a single pane of glass, creating a fully integrated experience. We can also filter the results to show only findings generated by the agentic analysis. Here, we see 7 findings, including the JSON Web Token issue we were looking for. The explanation is detailed and accurate, even though the associated CVE was published after the AI model's training cutoff. This demonstrates genuine analysis rather than simple recall. As with traditional SAST findings, each result includes remediation guidance and the relevant code location. This is agentic security analysis delivered within an enterprise application security program. Learn more about Fortify Agentic Analyzer or FAA and bring agentic security analysis into your application security program. Contact your OpenText representative to get access.